Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We're going to take you through a good candidate for a revision facelift. And we did this lady a few years ago, and she's about a 54-year-old, otherwise healthy, professional woman who had had a facelift someplace else. And take a look at her ears. This is what you don't want when you get a facelift. You don't want your earlobes pulled down, and you don't want your jowls still there, and you don't want a lack of improvement in your neck. And she's got great bone structure.
She does. She's skinny, yeah.
And a pointy chin that gives me something to pull against. And so in the office, we just gave her a little Valium and numbed her up and did a short scar rhodidectomy and liposuction, sewed up her neck muscles, and then trimmed off a little bit of extra skin and put her earlobes back up where they're supposed to be. And so here she is at about 5 months out. And her scars have faded nicely. She looks fantastic.
She does look great, yeah.
And she's a professional woman, and this is a great little procedure for somebody who has about a week of downtime. So if we did it today, for example, it's uncomfortable tonight. We got a number of videos that go into this. And then tomorrow you come back and we take off the fairly tight head wrap and then just put on a snug head wrap that you wear around the clock for a week. And at a week, most people don't have much bruising. And with a little bit of makeup can go back to really almost any activity that doesn't involve stretching the neck. We've had a few tennis players who have to keep them off tennis for about 2 weeks for this. It doesn't hurt a whole lot. Wendy, I did yours a couple of years ago, and I did your mother's.
Yes.
And it hurts behind your ears for a little while, but by and large, it's a safe, rejuvenative procedure that really just refreshes you and brings out the best in you. It's not radically transforming like some of these super pulled facelifts that I don't care for. And what do? We charge $6,000 for it, and it takes about an hour and a half in the office. And
you really are basically back to work in 7 days.
Yeah. And we've done over 4,000 of these. We've had one infection, I think, and we've had no permanent nerve injuries to the nerves that work the face. So if this is something that interests you, please give us a call. Thanks.